大家好，阿华一直拢无伫网络顶悬咧卖米芳，因为即马阮斗阵呢，伊挂心地球环保减速的议题，就参照阿华挂心本土语言共款。毋过，若是伫网络顶悬咧卖物件，迄是一定爱用着足侪塑胶的包装，算是较无环保的代志。所以阿华一直拢无咧做。I don't usually sell pop-rice cakes on the internet because my partner cares about a non-plastic earth as much as I care about local languages. 毋过，伫影片内底所做的花较特殊的口味，参像第三磅金钱泡米芳的口味，第四磅印生仔口味。遮特殊的口味，若是一般去市仔摆档的时阵，凊凊彩彩甲卖掉，阿华家己嘛是感觉较可惜啦。So I'm doing this only with the special flavors that I make in the videos. 所以阿华就来想到，不如把遮较特殊口味的米芳摕出来，当做阿华甲大家讨赞助所提供的一个花贵品。Doing this seems to me more like asking for sponsorships than simply doing business. 大家若是感觉阿华即马拍遮推广本土语言的影片，有影是袂歹，值得大家来支持。安尼食，欢迎大家来出一个较关键，甲遮米芳买转去，当作是对阿华的支持赞助。If you enjoy my videos, you are welcome to make your bidding at a higher price. I'll take that as a donation so that I can make more videos. 伫一个箱仔内底，互恁2包金钱泡口味的米芳，2包印生仔口味的米芳，安尼互你双双对对，万年富贵。伫即包内底，互你买转去。In one package, you're gonna receive 2 pieces from the third batch and 2 pieces from the fourth batch. 佮讲一届哦，平常时阿华做的花米芳，你一定爱看到我本人，你才卖得着、食会着。敢若伫影片内底所做的花特殊的口味，才有咧摕出来伫网络顶悬拍卖，甲大家讨赞助。Know that everything is limited. We got only like 3 or 4 packages for bidding. Thanks for your support. 请大家多多支持，感谢多啦。
阮找无囡仔时阵的幸福。